guys, welcome to today's video. Today I am sharing with you guys my master bedroom makeover on a budget. I'm really excited because this room really was just in need of a revamp. I feel like it was just dark and I didn't like the color on the wall. So the very first thing that I am going to do is I am painting the wall, and the color I chose was Big Chill from Sherwin-Williams. So I chose this color because my sister has this color all throughout her house and I just absolutely fell in love with it. And I have grays all throughout my house. So when I decided to paint my bedroom this ugly brown color so many years ago, I have no idea what I was thinking. So I am really excited to just get this paint color changed and really brighten up the room. So I did paint this room all on my own. You can see that I taped everything up because I know that if I don't, I'm gonna end up getting paint on the ceiling or other areas where I don't want it. But I really do enjoy painting. My arm always kills me after it because even like watching me paint, I can see that the way that I'm holding the roller, it's just very uncomfortable, but that's just how I do it. But I do enjoy painting. I absolutely love painting. Give me a paintbrush, give me some paint, and I just go to town. So I have a lot of fun with it. So I did enjoy doing this.
No need. So free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time.
So if you follow me over on Instagram, then you may have seen that I ordered new curtains for my room. That was something else that I also really wanted to do, just because I feel like the curtains and the paint really just brighten up the space, and that was really what I was going for my master bedroom. And when I tell you guys I did this on a budget, it was really the paint. The curtains were the most expensive thing. I got them at JCPenney. And I did get them when they were on sale. So, and other than that, just the spray paint, because as you can see, I have these little tables that I use as my nightstands. And I got these probably 8 years ago at a Goodwill. They were like $5 a piece, and they were originally like a really dark, almost like a black color. And then I spray painted them the silver, and I grew tired of the silver, so now I am spray painting them the gold leaf, I believe. The metallic gold leaf is what it's called, and the spray paint is from Krylon. And I really love how this turned out. Since I was doing the walls gray, I thought that the gold would just be a nice pop of color, and buying new nightstands right now was not in my budget, so this is the easiest way to revamp something on a budget.
You say you're fine, but I can see right through. You're holding your secrets for way too long. This can't keep going on. With every lie, they keep on hurting you, getting away with everything they do. This can't keep going on, no. We're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions.
Here you can just see that I am just touching up some paint, making sure that I have got everything. And you probably can notice behind the bed there that I have a spot. I do get to that. I didn't record it, but you will not see that spot. It will be gone. Everything will be all painted when it's done. The other thing I really wanted to do was the baseboards, because goodness, they were so dingy and ugly, and I really just wanted to make everything look as nice as I could and giving it a crisp white color. So I did go through painting all of the baseboards and door frames.
No, you're not alone in this. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions. We'll be running with the lions.
So now that everything is done being painted, it was time to take all of that painter's tape off, and I do regret leaving it on for so long because as you can see by all the wardrobe changes, it took me a while just because I would start and then I would stop, and I left that tape on there so long that when I went to take it off, it peeled a lot of the ceiling paint off. So I really do not like that happened, but it just, it is what it is when you are busy and you've got your family to take care of and you got other things to do. Sometimes projects take a little bit longer, but I would say do not let that discourage you, because you just keep it going and your project will turn out nice in the end. So even though this took me a while, I was ecstatic with how everything turned out. So now I am just cleaning everything up. You can see that my curtains are up already. Originally I had spray painted that rod that you saw me just grab, and I was going to use it, but we had some issues putting it back up, so we used another rod that we had in our guest room closet, and we ended up using that. So I'm kind of bummed that I didn't get to use the gold rod, but I really do like how it turned out anyways. So now that everything is cleaned up, it is time to decorate. Now, I would have loved to change out my comforter and everything, but again, that wasn't in my budget right now. There's so many other things that hopefully by Christmas time, maybe I can get done. I want to add a full-length mirror to the room, and I want to add a new fan and a bench at the end. But for now, I am making it work with everything that I have. And so on my nightstands, I did want to style them a little bit just because I was going for a more put together look in my master bedroom, and before I had just whatever thrown on the nightstands and I didn't really have them styled. So I figured since they're so simple, it would be a good idea to try to style them with whatever I had in my house. So honestly, I just shopped my home. I did not buy anything to add for decor right now. Also, you'll probably notice there that I used some florals that are fall themed and a little pumpkin, but I was not really decorating for fall in my master bedroom at this moment. I was just kind of seeing what it would look like with what I had. I will be decorating my master bedroom for fall, and I will be recording it, so be on the lookout for a fall clean and decorate with me of my master bedroom and my guest bathroom. Those are the last spaces in my home that I will be decorating for fall. So if you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to all notifications so that you know when I post that video. So I've had these canvases in my master bedroom closet for years now. I used to have them in my living room, and I had pulled them down just because I feel like I couldn't find a good space for them in the living room, and I put them away in the closet and never got around to putting them back up. So I'm loving them here and hoping to maybe add more soon. And here are my curtains. They are white, and I just love how crisp and how clean they look. I feel like it really just ties the space together. And then this little wreath I had gotten at Hobby Lobby, and I had it in my kitchen, and I decided to take it out from there and put it over here just to give a little bit of greenery to my room and add a little bit of decor, like I said, just shopping around my house. And this is how everything turned out. And guys, I am absolutely in love. I just love how bright it looks in here. I love how put together it is. Let me know in the comments if it really does look as different as I see it. I feel like it really does look like a huge difference. Everything just looks so nice now, and I feel like it's a grown-up bedroom now. I know that sounds silly to say, but I think it's just because it's so put together that it's just a space where I want to be in right now. So I'm absolutely enjoying it. Don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I hope this video gave you some inspiration. Maybe if you've been considering, like me, just revamping a space and you just feel like you haven't wanted to do it because you don't have all of the funds to get it done. That was me in this bedroom. I kept putting it off just because I said, when I have everything to make over this bedroom, and honestly, just giving it a good coat of paint, a brand new coat of paint, even painting those baseboards and spray painting the nightstands and just making it look more put together by shopping around my house. I feel like that alone just made the space look completely different. So I am excited about adding more things to it. Eventually, like I said, I'll be changing out the comforter and adding a full-size mirror, maybe a bench to the end of the bed, and a brand new fan. But for right now, this is what I had to work with. So I hope this inspires you if you're thinking about working on something and you've got a budget. Don't wait until you have all of the money for it, because you can really make a huge difference with just some paint and a little bit of effort and giving your room a little bit of love. I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care and God bless, guys. Thanks for watching.